Most people think charging their phone to 100% is best, but it actually speeds up battery wear. A better option is to limit your charging level. Limiting charge reduces heat, lowers battery stress, and slows chemical aging. Over time, it helps your battery stay healthier and last longer without swelling or fast-draining issues. Now let me show you how to set it up on Android. Open your phone and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Depending on your phone, you might see an option called Battery Protection or Charging Protection. Tap on it and turn it on. Now you'll see a maximum charge limit. Some phones set it to 90% by default, but the better option is 80%. Yes, 80% might feel low, but try it for a day. If your phone easily lasts from morning to night, keep it at 80%. That's the healthiest option for your battery. If it doesn't last the whole day, increase it slightly to 85% or 90% until you find the balance between daily use and battery health. The goal is simple. Use the lowest percentage that still gets you through the day. This small change can significantly improve your battery lifespan. Hope this helps you keep your Android battery healthier for longer.